Artificial intelligence isn't just limited to lifestyle applications. There's still new ground to explore, like navigation technologies. How could AI play a bigger role here? What kind of features would be beneficial if more virtual assistant software were enabled through GPS services instead of relying solely on manual input from drivers like Google Maps does today? Navigation is changing with the help of artificial intelligence. Autonomous cars use AI to drive safely, and GPS services use machine learning to give you accurate directions quickly. Uber uses AI to analyze traffic and map the best route for customers. AI is also being used in healthcare. AI can predict disease progression and reduce errors from medical imaging devices like MRI scanners. This helps doctors make fast and accurate diagnoses, but there are still challenges with protecting patient information and ethical concerns about predictive models and bias-related errors. Can we really trust AI? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the healthcare industry, helping doctors make more precise and accurate diagnoses. AI can also detect anomalies from medical imaging devices like MRI scanners much faster than humans can. For example, AI can be used to build machines that detect diseases like cancer earlier than manual monitoring.